right, WMC, this is the video to find our 3 winners for our mini. This is the mini for winner's choice number 3. So we'll check the time, April 13th at 1:56 p.m. We're going to go over to the mini and type live. We have April 13th at 1:56 p.m. There is the list of our 16 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then the top 3 after the final roll all win spots in the main. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 3. That's not going to work. All right, 6 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Aaron, and Brandon. So, Aaron, you will get, how many spots did we have here? Aaron, you get the first 7. You get the pick of 7, and then Brandon, you will get the remainder. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, April 13th, 1:57 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.